Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Coach Sarah Hall's Diary, and today I'm sharing 10 websites you can use to start earning online in 2025. Whether you're in Nigeria or the USA, these platforms are accessible and have been used by real people to generate side income and opportunities. By the end of this video, you will know which platforms are available, how they work, and what you can realistically expect. So let's jump right in. For disclaimers, before we can begin, a quick note. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. I'm not giving financial or investment advice. The platform mentioned here have worked for many users, but results vary based on skills, effort, and availability in your region. Always double check terms and conditions before signing up. Now let's get into the 10 platforms you can explore in 2025. And number one is Fiverr. It's also in Nigeria and USA. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a popular freelancing marketplace for digital services like graphic design, writing, and video editing. Works for both Nigerians and Americans. So payment can be withdrawn via Payoneer or PayPal, depending on the country. So also note that it is expected for you to focus on trending services such as AI content, social media video editing, or short form content creation. So number two is Upwork. Upwork is another freelancing platform generally suited for professional skills such as programming, digital marketing, and UI UX design. So success depends on building a strong profile and applying for jobs that matches your expertise. Also note that you need to start with small projects to build reviews, then apply higher paying works. And number three is user testing, which is more common in USA but limited in Nigeria. So this user testing help you. You can actually review websites, apps, or give feedback. Payments vary depending on the length of the test and interview. Availability can be limited in Nigeria, but it's worth checking if projects are open. And number four is Amazon KDP. It is also in Nigeria and in USA. Like KDP is a self-publishing platform for ebooks and low-content books like journals or planners. Once published, you earn royalties whenever a customer buys your books. Works globally, including Nigeria, with earnings paid directly to your account. Then number five is Clickworker. Clickwork also work in Nigeria and USA. It offers small tasks like surveys, image tagging, and text editing. It can work in your you can work in your free time in Clickworker. Payment options include Payoneer and PayPal depending on your location. And number six is Swagbox. Swagbox it focuses on USA and limited in Nigeria. Swagbox help you to earn gifts card or pay by cash by answering surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. More opportunities are available in the USA, while Nigeria users may see limited offers, best for casual earnings, not as main source of income. Then number seven is remote job boards, which involve flex jobs. We work remotely. You understand? So this site lists remote opportunities in fields like customer support, data entry, or marketing. Many of these jobs accept applicants worldwide, including Nigeria. Always check jobs description to confirm regional eligibility. That is the most important thing. And number eight is YouTube automation. It also work in Nigeria and in USA, like YouTube automation. It's like running a faceless YouTube channel by using stock footage or voice overs and editing tools. You see, monetization can come from ads, sponsorship, and affiliate links, but it requires consistency and quality content, which is what I'm doing. Also note that we choose evergreen niches like tech, finances, or tutorials. Understand? Then number nine is Skillshare, or let me just say it's an online teaching. Like it's a platform where you can create and sell online courses. Works for Nigerians and Americans. Once a course is uploaded, you can earn royalty or course sales. Popular subjects include design, AI tools, business, and coding. And number 10 is affiliate marketing. It also works in Nigeria and in USA. Like marketing is all about promoting products and earning a commission when someone purchases through your link. Option includes Amazon Associate, Digest Store 24 or Expertise, which is popular in Nigeria, right? Works best when paired with YouTube, TikTok, or blogging. Use more than one platform. That is the thing. Like you have to use more than one platform if you want to get more chances of steady earnings. So for Nigerians, choose platforms that support Pioneer wise or direct bank transfer. And for Americans, explore surveys and cashback apps that may not be able that may not be available internationally. Always track your time. Focus on platforms that gives you the best return for your support. So this is actually the 10 platforms you can explore in 2025 if you are in Nigeria or in USA. You understand? So let me still recap what I said about the 10 platforms. One, what I say is freelancing, and the freelancing involves the Fiverr, the Upwork. And the second one is microtask, and the microtask involve click worker or user testing. And another one is long-term strategy, which involves YouTube, Amazon, KDP, affiliate marketing. So if this video gives you ideas, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification for more tips earnings online in 2025. Comment below which platform will you try first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.